Today, I'm going to show you how to add elements in Wix, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website fully load. On the left-hand side, you'll see a button called Add Elements. Click on it, and a menu will appear with different types of elements you can add. You'll find options like text, images, buttons, galleries, shapes, and even interactive elements. Take your time, browse the list, and choose the element you want to add. Once you select an element, click Add to Page. It will appear on your site, and you can gently drag it to the position you want. You can also resize it, rotate it, or adjust the settings to fit your design perfectly. After placing all your elements and making adjustments, make sure to save your work. And there you have it. Your elements are all now added to your Wix website, ready to make your site look professional and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.